Hi, it's Dr. Mercola, and I'm so excited to be attending ACAM this year. I started a website 2 years before Google did, and for the last 17 years, we've been the most visited natural health site in the world. And that platform has allowed me the opportunity to do a lot of research and compile strategies to improve your health. So what I seek to do in ACAM is provide the best strategies I know that will radically improve your health and really serve as a foundational basis for treating virtually every single disease. And in fact, one of the most important, which is aging. So seeking to improve your longevity by addressing really significant and stealth areas of oxidative stress that will radically decrease your likelihood of living a long time and radically increase your risk of virtually every chronic degenerative disease. So I look forward to seeing each and every one of you out there.